Hello friends, I'm going to show how we can install the Elementor plugin in WordPress. So let's click the add new plugin. Then before installing the Elementor, we should disable Gutenberg through the plugin. Disable Gutenberg plugin, install now, because Gutenberg is a built-in editor of WordPress. If we edit a page, the WordPress built-in or default editor will work as a default editor, and we need to disable it basically. So let's activate the disable Gutenberg plugin. Now we can edit page and the Gutenberg should not work. Anyway, let's install the Elementor, add new plugin, Elementor, then enter, and the Elementor. This is the Elementor website builder, most popular website builder of WordPress. Now install. So the Elementor website builder is installed. Now we can activate it. Yeah, the Elementor is activated. Now we can just click on page, edit, and we can either edit through WordPress editor or edit with Elementor. So I'm going to edit with Elementor. Yeah, so we should have all the features of Elementor free versions. Yeah, but Elementor Pro versions has more features. Yeah, this is the video, and we can just use the Elementor free version now. Anyway, I'm going to show how we can make a page through Elementor in the next tutorial. Thank you.